Hey everyone, so this will just be a very quick unboxing and quick look at the new Fitbit Sense 2. This one here, if I flip it the correct way, is the soft gold aluminum case and blue Misty infinity band. So let's just get on into this. I know some people are not happy with these watches as they've actually taken away some of the features and then added in other features. But they were on sale for only $200, normally $300, even though it just came out not too long ago. So there we go. It's a nice, beautiful display of a box. We'll come back to that in a second here. And of course, you do get two bands with it, technically. You get the small and then the large. This one I believe is the large. So this is supposed to be misty blue. And in all honesty, it looks more just white gray. Maybe it depends on the lighting. It's a pretty funky box. I imagine it would not be very fun to try and get this back into if you did want to return this. And then there is the proprietary charger. It does have the Fitbit symbol on there. Y'all can see. I do like this packaging though, it's pretty fancy looking. I do like gold watches. It's a very soft gold like it says. Hope you guys can see that. Let's see if we can get this to focus a bit better. It's very soft. It's almost like a silver gold. Again, this band, depending on the lighting, it's kind of a very soft blue or a gray. And there's what the back of it looks like with all the sensors that are on here. Then you have the physical button now. It's a nice looking watch. I mean, I wish they would kind of change up the way they looked. But it's a nice looking watch though, nonetheless. Of course, now it's by Google. Be that a good thing or bad thing. All depends on what you think. Yeah, there you guys go. Very quick unboxing and quick look here at the Misty Blue and Soft Gold aluminum case. Of course, we can find a whole bunch of different cases on Amazon, which is what I'm going to be doing with mine. Aside from smacking my camera. Thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.